Cheryl, Mayor Brandon Johnson is facing a budget deficit of nearly $1 billion, so the money has to come from somewhere. But with indications that the mayor wants to avoid any layoffs, there are questions about his commitment to sharing the pain. Homeowners in Chicago already dealing with higher property taxes because of the new assessments coming out will now have to brace for more.
The 43rd Ward gets a big brunt of the property tax and creates a lot of revenue. There's no question. And I think I speak for my constituents when I say I'm not comfortable with a property tax increase if I don't also see balance.
The mayor's anticipated property tax proposal, to be formally announced in his budget address tomorrow, will break a repeated campaign promise.
We make up to $1 billion of new investments because that's what it takes for a better, stronger city. And we do it without raising property taxes.
The City Council's Progressive Caucus is calling for no city worker layoffs, and the tax hike may be a way for the mayor to avoid angering labor. But the president of the Civic Federation says that's problematic given the city's financial crisis.
It is wrong not to ask labor to be a partner in the shared sacrifice that's going to be necessary.
A city ordinance allows for an automatic property tax increase tied to inflation but capped at 5%. Some aldermen say the mayor's decision last year to skip that was a mistake.
Yes, it is a bad idea, because with that, if he would have kept that component in, we wouldn't be in the mess we're in right now.
But given the current budget deficit, the city council and the mayor have their backs to the wall and not many great options.
A lot of the council members have already said they're dead set against property taxes, but they've got to come up with other large sources of revenue to replace that, and they just aren't there. So he's going to have to twist some arms, but it looks like it's inevitable.
The mayor had no public schedule today, but tomorrow morning he will release his formal budget proposal in council chambers. Interestingly enough, it will be the first time that most council members will learn anything about their official budget briefings, because those don't start until Friday.